How to remove your Kakaotalk account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Kakaotalk account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and here click settings. Sorry, not settings. Click this one on your profile and click edit profile, and then just go down until you find links and click edit, and then you will find your Kakaotalk account here and click remove, and as you see Kakaotalk account has been removed, and then just save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.